Hey everyone! Welcome to our first video in our Salesforce Business Analyst series. It's Max from Certify Advantage here. I have just spent 32 hours straight working through the Salesforce Business Analyst credential prep using the trail mixes on Trailhead so you don't have to. I have also completed all the practice tests and passed the exam. With that, I am going to summarize and teach you everything you need to know using some questions that I found on the exam so that you have a solid foundation to pass. Also, if you would like to check out the practice tests I use, check out our platform, Certify Advantage, for free practice tests. With this test, there are 6 key topics you need to master to ace the exam. In today's video, we're diving into customer discovery questions, which make up 17% of the Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. This section will go through the business strategies and challenges for a Salesforce project. It will also describe the business analyst's roles and responsibilities in different phases of the implementation lifecycle. It will show you how a customer is leveraging existing products to establish the current state. Lastly, you will learn to recommend Salesforce capabilities, align them with business needs, and recommend potential solutions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. A business analyst, BA, at Northern Trail Outfitters has been asked to explain a sales process improvement idea and collaborate on a plan for implementation. Several sales users in various locations have been identified to participate. Which technique should the BA use to optimize effectiveness and build a shared understanding of the idea and approach? A. Demo prototype. B. One-on-one meetings. C. Virtual whiteboarding. The correct answer is C. Virtual whiteboarding. In this scenario, the business analyst needs to collaborate with sales users in various locations to build a shared understanding of the sales process, improvement idea, and plan for implementation. Virtual whiteboarding allows for real-time collaboration and visualization of ideas, making it an effective technique for optimizing effectiveness in remote collaboration. Option A, demo prototype, may be helpful in demonstrating the idea, but it may not allow for the same level of collaboration and input from all parties involved. One-on-one meetings, option B, also lack the collaborative aspect and may not be as effective in building a shared understanding among multiple stakeholders. Question 2. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, is a rapidly growing company that hired a business analyst, BA, to help revamp its sales and support processes. The stakeholder at NTO wants to understand the value of application lifecycle management, ALM. What are benefits of ALM that the BA should share with the stakeholder? A. ALM offers preview access to the 3 Salesforce releases per year. B. ALM allows features to remain static and reduces incremental changes. C. ALM provides processes and policies which help build apps more efficiently. C is the correct answer because, according to Salesforce's documentation, ALM, Application Lifecycle Management, provides processes and policies which help build apps more efficiently. This means that ALM can streamline the development process, improve collaboration among team members, and ultimately lead to faster delivery of high-quality applications. A is incorrect because preview access to Salesforce releases per year is not a direct benefit of ALM and does not necessarily relate to the value of ALM for NTO. B is incorrect because ALM actually encourages incremental changes and continuous improvement throughout the application lifecycle, rather than allowing features to remain static. This ensures that the application stays up to date and meets the evolving needs of the business and users. Question 3. A business analyst is assessing the potential risks of using cases and support queues in a proposed solution and considering how these risks could impact the project schedule. Which type of analysis is the BA performing? A. Enterprise analysis. B. Strategy analysis. C. Stakeholder analysis. The correct answer is B. Strategy analysis because the business analyst is reviewing the risks associated with a proposed solution and assessing their potential impact on the project timeline, which falls under the scope of strategy analysis. Enterprise analysis primarily focuses on understanding and defining business needs, while stakeholder analysis is concerned with identifying and analyzing stakeholders' needs and expectations. Question 4. The project manager of the new project at Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, is requesting the business analyst, BA, to ensure that goals and strategies are in line throughout NTO's organization. The BA is starting to grasp NTO strategies through their documentation, but requires additional information. Which methodology should help the BA obtain the required information? A. V2MOM, Vision, Values, Methods, Obstacles, Measures. B. RACI, Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, Informed. C. SMART, Specific, Measurable, Achievable, Relevant, Time-bound. A is the correct answer because V2MOM, Vision, Values, Methods, Obstacles, Measures, is a methodology that is specifically designed to align goals and strategies within an organization. It provides a framework for creating a shared vision, defining values, outlining methods for achieving goals, identifying obstacles, and setting measurable targets. B and C are incorrect answers because they are not relevant to the specific task of obtaining alignment on goals and strategies across an organization. RACI, Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, Informed, is a methodology for defining roles and responsibilities within a project, and SMART, Specific, Measurable, Achievable, Relevant, Time-bound, is a framework for setting and achieving goals. While both of these methodologies are useful in their own right, they are not directly applicable to the task at hand. Question 5. CloudKicks is a rapidly growing company and has just expanded its team to include a business analyst, BA. The IT directory has asked the BA to use Application Lifecycle Management, ALM, for all Salesforce development projects. Which step of the ALM cycle requires the BA to study current business process, gather requirements, and analyze them? A. Test. B. Plan. C. Build. B is the correct answer because the planning phase in the ALM cycle is where the BA is required to study current business processes, gather requirements, and analyze them. This phase involves identifying the goals and objectives of the project and determining the resources required to achieve them. During this phase, the BA will also create a detailed project plan, including timelines, milestones, and deliverables for each stage of the project. A and C are incorrect because A. Testing is a later phase in the ALM cycle where the BA will test the application to make sure it meets the requirements, is free from errors and defects, and is ready for deployment. C. Building is the phase where the actual development of the application takes place based on the requirements gathered during the planning phase. Question 6. The leadership team at Universal Containers, UC, is focused on customer retention. The business analyst, BA, has been asked to implement a new Customer for Life program on the Salesforce platform. Before they can move forward, they need to understand the life cycle and all of the related interactions that UC has with its customers. Which type of session should the BA perform? A. User acceptance testing. B. Journey mapping. C. Requirements gathering. B is the correct answer because journey mapping is the process of visually representing the entire life cycle of a customer's interaction with a company, including all touch points and interactions. This will help the BA to understand the customer experience and identify areas for improvement to support the new Customer for Life program. A is incorrect because user acceptance testing is a process used to validate that a solution meets the needs of end users, and C is incorrect because requirements gathering is the process of collecting and defining the specific needs and objectives of a project or initiative. While these may be important steps in implementing the new program, they do not directly address the need to understand the customer lifecycle and interactions. Question 7. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, is undergoing a Salesforce implementation for Service Cloud. The business analyst is currently working with the development team as they build features in the sandbox. NTO wants to test these features before the changes are deployed to the production environment. As part of the Application Lifecycle Management (ALM) process, which 3 development models does Salesforce support? A. Change set development, org development, package development. B. Rapid application development, org development, package development. C. Salesforce DX, Flow Builder, rapid application development. A is the correct answer because Salesforce supports change set development, org development, and package development as part of the Application Lifecycle Management (ALM) process. Change set development involves moving changes between Salesforce orgs. Org development involves developing and testing changes in a separate non-production environment. And package development involves creating and distributing managed or unmanaged packages of components. B and C are incorrect answers because rapid application development and Flow Builder are not part of the ALM process. Rapid application development is a software development methodology, and Flow Builder is a tool within Salesforce for building automations and workflows. Salesforce DX is a development framework for building and deploying applications on the Salesforce platform, but it is not a development model within the ALM process. Did you get them right? Great job tackling those questions. Those are just a subsection of the exam questions. You can find more similar exam questions in our free practice tests on CertifyAdvantage.com. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, follow us and send us a message. We'd love to hear from you and help you on your certification journey. Reach out, follow us, and let's ace this exam together.